Hi friends, Namaskar. I'm Anita. Today I'm going to make jackfruit kabab. Here are the ingredients. Take 1 cup of raw jackfruit keema, which I have boiled the raw jackfruit, then made a keema. 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour, ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, 1 medium chopped onion, cilantro, turmeric powder, half tablespoon of chilli powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala powder, half tablespoon of garam masala powder, salt as per taste, cooking oil. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of raw jackfruit keema, then add half tablespoon of garam masala powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala powder, half tablespoon of red chilli powder, add little bit turmeric powder, half tablespoon of salt, add 1 fine chopped onion, then add little bit black pepper powder, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some cilantro, then mix it well. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour. The mixture should be thick paste, not very thin. Mix it well. Now the jackfruit kebab mixture is ready. Now divide the dough and make small lemon sized balls like this. I am spreading oil on my palm. Then take that ball and shape them into kebab. Shape them into kebab or tikki shape. Then heat the pan and add some oil on it. Now pan is hot, so then place the kebab on the hot pan. And cook both sides on the low flame till the golden brown in color. So friend, kebab you can deep fry or shallow fry on hot pan. Now friends, look at those jackfruit kebab. One side is turned to brown color. So it's almost done. I'm going to take out on the plate.
Yummy. If you like Mommy's video, then subscribe Mommy's channel. Thank you. Bye.